today I am doing something new or something different. I will be going to the beach. So what I'm gonna show you is how I get ready to go to the beach, especially being that we're doing all this new normal and all of that. So I'll start by showing you what I'll be taking with me to the beach. It's literally like a whole production, a bunch of stuff that has, or a bunch of stuff that have to go with me to the beach. So I'll just start by showing you. It's gonna be really low-key. Most important thing I have is my water. I have a little snack, plus this mosquito repellent that I got. They're just wipes, really. So you just take one pack out and wipe it on your skin, but I won't do it until I am at the beach. I also have this sunscreen. I will be putting it on before I leave home. I have a mask just in case I am out there and I need to go somewhere else, and I have my shades. This is my little music box. I will be taking it with me, or should I say it's a speaker. I also have a book that's gonna go to the beach with me as well. I will try to read something while I'm there. Let's see how that goes. And the other thing, or two other things that I am taking, are my umbrella and my little chair. It's fabulous. Now I am ready for the beach. I packed all my stuff. I'm in the car. I have all my beach items. Let me show you. The rest of the stuff are in the back, but I'm about to head out. Isn't it a lovely day out? I'm not at the beach as yet, still at my house, but it's such a beautiful day. So I am excited to see what the beach has to offer. I finally got to the beach. Yay! So excited. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the repellent to my skin just to protect myself from the bugs or whatever it is that is out there. Alright, so I'm at the beach walking with all my stuff. Oh my gosh, it's really a lot, but I plan to enjoy it. Maybe I don't think I need an umbrella anymore, but I'm still taking it anyway. But the sun is kind of gone still. Finally at the beach, chilling, relaxing. I don't know if you can see me. I can barely see because of my glasses, but I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll show you what the beach looks like. So it's a beautiful day in the Cayman Islands. This is beach life, chilling, relaxing. It's a lovely day. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. We all need to be here. Even though I don't know if you can hear me, but I love the beach. Oh my gosh, it's like my true Caribbean side. So it's evening time now. Yeah, that's the view. and I'm just out here relaxing, trying to enjoy myself. Oh, and by the way, when was the last time you guys went to the beach, wherever you are? Because it's really beautiful. So beautiful. So yeah, this is what it's like. And today actually feels very warm, by the way. It feels warm. And relaxing. I might actually take a swim because it's really lovely. Got to dip in the water. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's a beautiful beach day, and I don't know what's the perfect time to come to the beach anyway, but I think this is a good time. I know it looks a little bit dark, but at least I'm at the beach. Because in Cayman we have a serious mosquito problem, so to be out here in the evenings, it's really not the best solution, or sorry, the best thing to do. So that's why it's important to have your mosquito repellent, sunscreen, because the days are really hot as well. So we have a lot to contend with, but being able to be at the beach is really amazing, because when Corona came and everything and the lockdown, we were not allowed to go to the beach, to the park, to wherever. Even if it was outside, we pretty much had to stay at our house. So this is like freedom and heaven in one. That's why I'm enjoying it, because it's summer and it's really a different summer. Usually I would probably be doing something more interesting, probably traveling, even though for the last few years I haven't really been doing that because I am studying. So with studying, that means I have to give up some summer, some vacation, whatever. But the aim is to finish studying in 3 years, and after 3 years I will be done and I can do whatever I want to do. So I hope you like what you see. This is Cayman Beach. This is our wee beach. And oh, another thing that I was worrying about before I came out here was whether or not it would be really full, but it's not actually. I don't know if it's because of the time that I came. I originally planned to come at about 4, but it's really a good day to be out and about. So I'm packing up all my stuff from the beach. It was a good day, I'm not gonna lie. It was really relaxing and something different, something fresh, something new. So I'm heading home now. But it was a nice beach day. This is Cayman. This is what it looks like over here. Not sure if this camera is doing it justice, but I love this beautiful island that I call home. It's really nice. My beach day is done. It was a good little day. I really enjoyed it. I know I'm alone by myself. I am usually a loner anyway. I always go to the beach and do stuff like this by myself. So this pandemic wasn't really that hard for me. I didn't really have a problem with it. So my beach day is done and I am heading home to relax. Finally home from the beach. I got home a little while ago, took a shower, got something to eat, and now I'm going to relax. I hope you enjoyed my video and enjoyed seeing the beach. Take care and don't forget to subscribe.